Hello everyone, welcome in Crafting with channel. Today I will show you how to make a crochet earrings and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you immediately. Thanks for watching. I will use Rico Essential Yarn and hook number 2mm as shown now. I will start round 1. I will make a magic ring as shown now. I have a video for learning how to make a crochet magic ring on the channel. You can watch it. Then I will make 3 chains as shown now. After make a magic ring. Then I will make a triple crochet stitch into that magic ring. And repeat making triple crochet stitches to arrive to 21 triple crochet stitch inside that. I have a video for learning a triple crochet stitch also on my channel. You can show it. I already finished 21 triple crochet stitches inside that magic ring. With the shape. Then I will make 3 chains. Then close with slip stitch. Close these 3 chains into the magic ring with a slip stitch as shown now to finish round 1. I will start round 2. I will make 7 chains as shown now. Then I will make triple crochet into third chain that made previously. Then I make chain and make a triple crochet again and make a chain and make a triple crochet again. Then continue with same sequences across that row. Then make at last 5 chains and close into the middle of that piece with same thing as shown now to finish round 2. I will start round 3. I will make 5 chains as shown now. Then I will close them with slip stitch into 5th chain as shown now that made previously. Then make 3 chains and make single crochet into chain space. I mean a chain between two triple crochet, and make 3 chains again, then make single crochet again into chain space and repeat with same sequences across that row. Now I finished round 3 with the shape. Then I will cut the yarn and fasten off. Then I will get a hook for that earrings and join with our piece with that shape. Now I finish that earrings and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you immediately. Thanks for watching.